Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we couldn't beat the rain, but we got out here anyway. Sat under the bridge for about 15 minutes. Did fish, no luck. So we're moving on. Gonna check out some flats and some docks. Today's a fairly warm day, so I think some reds will be on the flats, and the water's fairly calm. Starting off with this 3-inch Zman paddle tail in white or pearl color, and on a 1/4 ounce jig head, 25-pound Flouro, uni to uni for my main to my leader, and a uni knot to my lure. So let's see what we can get into. There's one right here to the left. He didn't want that, and the line just spooked him. Oh, there's two right here. He did not want that, so we're definitely gonna switch this. All right, so we got a trout trick in hand. There's one about 20 feet in front of us. If I can get this line untangled. Can't even see him anymore. He's right in front of us here. Oh, I spooked the hell out of him. Is that dolphin coming this way? You son. Look at him. No, I think I got it in my Ned pack. This one. So let's actually switch it up. Is that a redfish? Looks like it. Slow cruising. Let's throw back up there. I think he was interested. Is there one right in front of us here? Oh. Is that chasing? Got one. Hell yeah. Heck yeah. I didn't even see him eat that, but I felt a little tick. Oh, there's another one right here with him. Let's try some. Let's try something here. Trying to see if I can double up here. All right, just messing around here. Let's get this guy in. Come here, buddy. There we go. Yes. All right. I don't think we're keeping this guy. I want to say he's probably right at 18, maybe 19. Let's check him out. There we go. I can see that here. He is 19 inches. Let's see if we can get a nice little shot here. Let's pinch the tail. Oh, yeah, about 19 inches, y'all. Look at him, he ate this Ned rig that I modified from a trout trick. So that's pretty cool. I'll check them out. Yeah, it's a nice little red right here. All right, let's let this fella go. Let's go. Let him go. Let's go get another one. Heck yeah. Check out this bait. I made that from a trout trick. I think that's a 3/8 ounce jig head. I didn't plan on bouncing it off the bottom. Something just blew up over there. I figured if I would just throw it and drag it, I would get a bite. Start working our way back. There's a red right here, look at it. Didn't want it. There's a red right here. Just keep throwing different lures at them till they bite. Oh, there's a big old black drum right here. Big old black drum. He didn't even spook. I'm pretty sure a big, there's 3 redfish right in front of me. That line scared the shit out of them. They didn't even bother with that craw, but they were already kind of on alert, I guess. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. Pretty fun overall. Saw a bunch of reds. They were just tough. They weren't eating. Managed to trick that one out of this modified Ned rig that I made out of a trout trick, and it worked out. So definitely gonna keep that in my tackle box. So if you like the video, go ahead and hit like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Hey, I'll catch y'all next time.